got a low tide. It's out for a quick one yesterday. Thought they weren't on, but apparently they turned on like a few hours later. I think 9 a.m. was on. Caught a little threadfin trevally, which looked really cool. Look at this fish. Beautiful. So that was about it for me. And yeah, I'm gonna try today. There's no wind, no swell, so it's gonna be a lot of people. It's gonna be a little bit annoying. You're gonna have to prepare for that. But yeah, let's see if we can get it done. Oh yeah, and I don't have a lot of bait, so we gotta get it done quick. This is looking similar to yesterday. Just a shore break, pretty small, but they just keep coming, so it's hard to find a gap. I don't know if this is a good or bad mistake. Always a bit wild. Woo. All right, good morning everyone. I am trying to set my rigs up here. Got a new rig that we're trying. This is what it looks like. I guess the only difference is that we're hanging the weight on there now. The beauty with these rigs is that I can swap out the weights and I can swap out the number of hooks, which is pretty nice. And I actually had to do it this time because I want to fish with a small pilchard, because sometimes the spotties seem to prefer those, so that's why we did it like this. So I just took one of the hooks off the rig. It kind of looks like this otherwise, and yeah, ready to go. Let's get some speed up and get the baits out. So we're doing big pilchard on this side. That is my left. About 45 meters. So I get it out 10 or 20. And then turn, and then we'll get the shorter one out. I use colored line. That tells me how much line I've let out. So got little stickers on my rods to say what colors the lines are. So I can see when this one's on red, I know that it's about 45 meters. And when this one's on red, it's about 35 meters. So there we go. Check your drags. I want loose drags. Oh, I got fish right here. Let's see. Let's see. That was probably a big shark though. Could be a mackerel. Yeah, those drags are pretty good. Let it drop a little bit because they sat mid-level. I think today though we're gonna have to go out a little bit deeper. You know, I've got this whole area in here, it's empty, and people aren't stupid. So everyone's sitting further out, so I think that's where the fish will be. Alright, I think I've found them here. Let's see if we can get those rods to go off. Still got 20 meters to go. seems like it's small, but I don't know. Oh no. We had a double. I don't want to go over my other line. There's a few people around, that's why I'm talking quietly. Yeah, that's a good spot to go to. Thank you for that. See what this is. Could be something small, could be a spotty. Feels heavy enough for a spotty. Going straight towards it, so I can't get my other line. Oh, they're everywhere here. On the new rigs. See if they hold up. They're a bit lightweight. What do we got? Is that a Spanish or Spotty? Spotty. I've got a thing, I got to tail grab them, but it's risky. I am going to lose one or two this season, so this might be the one. It's usually when they come to this stage that you can lose them. It takes a little bit longer, but it doesn't spoil the meat. There we go. There we go. This is a new rig. He's been brain spiked, so shouldn't be flipping too much. But yeah, good spotty. I'm just gonna keep fishing. Just gonna rig these up, so may as well show you. I do them upside down. Occasionally I do them on the side here, and swim them right side up. You do have to adjust these stoppers every time. We'll see if that's going to cause a problem. Then we're going to have to do a new version of this rig, but so far it's working. Let's look for a pattern to figure out where the top hook goes, and then look for a pattern, and that's where you put the back hook. And there you go. That's how it's done. I would say it's like maybe 20% the rig. Good, how are you? Yeah, 20% rig and bait, and well, you gotta find them. That's all what it is. Find them and they'll take most things. There we go, here's the next rig. I was leaning them like that on my reel so that they don't bounce off. Let's go see if we can find the fish again. I know where they are because I marked them. It's just so many people around. Yeah, they're all sitting here. I wonder if everyone's catching them out deep, or if that's just the bonito attracting everyone to that area. I don't want to catch bonito, and I know that the fish is here, so I'm going to be in here all alone. It's awesome. What's going on here is just dead weight. I don't understand. It's just dead weight. like remora or something. Oh, here we go. It's starting to wake up. Oh, we got our other line here too. Now he's woken up. He's realized he's hooked up. Yeah. Oh, listen now. Still under the other line. What if we get it over here? Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. I don't want the other line. I don't want it. Oh, come on. What do we do? I gotta deal with my line here. I don't want to give him slack. Do not want to give him slack. Yeah, that's around twice. That's why I can't get it off. Alright, so we're gonna have to get them both up. What have we got? We got a shark or we got a Spanish? Spanish, please. No shark. Spotty. Alright, so I don't know if we're gonna have to hand line it or what we're gonna do here. Well, we'll just go for it. Might actually gaff this one if I get a chance because I'm a little bit tangled up. It's a bit of a mess. Clear the lines. All right. That was interesting fish. There we go. Number 2. It's before I bleed him. And yeah. Version 2 or whatever of our rig. Still performing. We've got our tangle out. And I noticed they are going for small pilchards, and the bait I defrosted was all small, so I actually swapped out the rig now. Oh, the rig on this side, just because it was a big pilchard before. Still got that one in there, but yeah, I'm just gonna fish with small pillies for a bit. See if we can get a hook up on the other rod now. That didn't take long. So we got no leader on this one. No way. I've got a fish on there, mate. All right. This is another spotty. I think we're going in. That's a good bite though. Good hookup. And as I said, I've got no leader on this, no wire leader. So let's see how we go, eh? Oh, slime. Oh, I just saw. Oh, I can see them. They're up on the surface here. I saw 2 mackerels. What have we got coming up here? Take that drag. It's pretty common that they have another go. Yeah, we've got another spotty. Good size. Good size one. Come here, bro. Alright, let's get him in the hatch before he wrecks my hand. Fishing and talking, it's hard. It's very difficult. Alright, so my last bait here is not looking that good. I think I've squashed it. And I've got 3 fish. I think it's time to go in, right? Alright, so we got a little bit too big bait on the left and a small blown out one on the right. I'm not defrosting anymore. This thing has been squashed, so. And my sounder stopped working. So there we go. It's a good time to head in. Oh, look at this jellyfish I'm just passing. I think I got it all over my rod over there. And yeah, there's a lot of boats around and hard to find a spot to fish. It's not too bad. It's not like other parts of the world. This is still probably some of the best fishing you can get anywhere, especially kayak fishing. Just gotta watch out though. A few loose cannons, me included. We all do it. Here we go. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. I guess blown out pilchards work too. Let's see, what do we got? Got another spotty. Good swing around here and then there we go. All right, that's it for us. Got no more bait and we got enough fish to last us for 2 weeks, so if you lucky fellas is gonna get some fish. It's been working good, this thing. And yeah, the rigs performed well today. These rigs have been working so well. Just the fact that you can change the size of them. So this one I took the middle hook off and yeah, it just matches the bait a little bit. I guess the only drawback is these little stoppers that you got to make sure that they're still on, because yeah, you can actually, like if I show you here, you can actually take the hooks off. Phew. It's not easy, but there you go. So you don't want that happening with the fish on. That's why you put these little stoppers on. So as I said, anyone wants some rigs, I made a couple of extra, so just hit me up and we'll sort you out. These bloody things are everywhere. Isn't there a better option? What is the other option? Get rid of the d***s that are using them? I don't know. Got some pretty small waves today, but a little shore break we gotta be careful with. A few surfers we shouldn't run into. back over that one. Could probably have taken it in. I just worry about the swimmers. I don't want to run over anyone. Whoa. Lite havgalen. I like riding on the back of a small one. Always good.